Hi everyone, hope everybody's good. Happy Friday. Thank fuck. I tell ya, my working week never stops, does it? Go to work, come home, fucking build a day van. Anyway, got my slide hammer out and all my stuff. This is for my dent repair stuff when I do dent repairs. You might have spotted in the video, but I've got a dent in the sill just here. I've sanded it back. I'm going to attempt to pull that out the best I can. That's what I'm at today. I'm always fucking doing something, you know. Not there and all. Anyway, you can see she's in quite a bit, but hopefully I can get that out. Yeah. Let's have a crack, eh? Oh yeah, I should have shown you, shouldn't I? Yeah, so the other video, I meant to finger, yeah, so the window's in. She's all in there. All sealed in, and all working. We've got a nice little opener. Can't see shit in there, can you? That's good, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, meant to update that, but I've got fucking so much going on, guys. The other thing that I'd ordered is 2 parts, and the daft fuckers, yeah, only delivered 1 part. So they said they delivered both. Thank fuck I have security cameras around the house. All the perimeter of my house is cameraed up, and I was able to pull up the video, send it to them and say, look, no he fucking didn't. He only delivered 1. So yeah, so we're now getting the second part of what should have been 2 parts delivered today. So yeah, we're really sorry. Yes, our mistake. It's still at the depot. It wasn't scanned and took out. It's just not okay. I wasn't shitty with them. I just said, look, you know, there's the security footage that shows he's only delivered 1. And this is what I say with these cameras, like, you know, they don't stop. They're 24 hours, 7 days a week. They just record continuously. And you'd be surprised what you do catch on them. But yeah, anyway, so that should arrive today, so I can get on with the rest of this day van inside, because I'm waiting on stuff for inside. So hence why I'm doing these jobs, like this sill on the outside. Anyway, let's crack on. Hopefully you can see from there. Didn't know if it was going to do it or not. Nope, it's too tough. Nope. Right, it ain't going to do it with that. Right, what's that? Oh, it's a bit better. It's coming a little bit. That one off. Fucking stand on everything there. turn you this way. For the novices, not for the fucking experts. Right, where are you? I'm trying to fucking see, man, the fucking sun today. Moaning about, there. So I'm going to mix a bit of this. This is a metal based, not a filler based. You can use it as filler, but this is metal based, this one. Been fucking sat in my shed for a while, so it's gone a bit fucking itchy. Right, so just to keep it layman terms, that red stuff, that's what activates the grey stuff. The more of that you put in, the faster it goes off. That's the simplest way of putting it. So if it's cold, add a bit more of your red stuff. If it's fucking hot, add less, because she's going to go off quick time. Like I say, this is a metal based chemical. And just remember, we're not filling a hole here, so we're not worried about that so much. For fuck's sake, you can't even fucking see, can you? I've got you still pointed there, haven't I? I've got to work quick, see guys, this is the problem when you're videoing. Where are you? We're working there, right, you can see. Because like I just said, it's quite warm today, and this fucking stuff will go off. And that cause you all sorts of fucking problems. Right, that'll do for the first pass. Actually, let me thin that out there, but it's a bit high there. Right, I can feel it starting to move already, so it's starting to go off, guys. That's what I say, it goes off quick. Right, I ain't gonna let you sit there watching paint dry. Right, I've done a rough coat on that second pass. I'm just getting a bit of a straight line here so I can see where I'm at. We're not a million miles away, to be fair. I'm not doing a fucking level here, I'm just checking the line. the body line. Yeah, we're not a million miles away at that. Right, okay. One more should do it. Right, guys, so yeah, so basically what I've done is left a sharp edge here, because I'm going to do that by hand. I need it to, you can see it bevels like this, so I've left a sharp edge, and then I'm just going to run it by hand, because using a circular sander it'll be very difficult to get a curve on that without keep flattening it. And checking my line, I'm more or less there, gnat's whisker. Yeah, mapping up for that. Right, so what's got to do now is, if you look, it slightly curves, so I'm just going to curve it. That's, I know some of you guys are probably wondering why I've got that bit of cardboard at the bottom. It's because I needed to catch it, because it needed to be built up, and then I can cut it like so, like this, because the van curves here. So this is dead straight at the moment, and we need to curve it, so I wanted extra down here, so now I can just curve it in. Yes, I could have potentially, anyway, it's not worth going into it too deep. It's the way I do my things. Again, no, fuck it, I will go into it. If I'd have not put the cardboard there, I'd have really struggled to get the metal filler to hold, so it just keep falling. So you just basically just keep stretching out. It's old techniques. You can't remember, I'm a lot older than a lot of people that are doing this shit. It's just tricks of the trade. So just catch it with something, build it high, and then just cut it off. You're not fucking wasting material, because you're going to waste material when it all ends up along there on the floor, trust me. So just catch it, and now I can cut it at an angle like this to follow the shape of the van, and this will just disappear. This what you can see here, it will just disappear. It's the way we do things, or I do things. It's the way I've always done what I do. I've done loads and loads and loads and loads, thousands of fill of work, but yeah, I'll show you when it's finished. Right guys, as you can see, I've pulled this away now. Okay, so now you can see I'm starting to curve with the shape, so I've got to follow the shape. So I'm now starting to curve in, follow the shape, and then I've got to take this sharp edge off, which is just here. And it's going to throw your eye, because you've got bare metal along. Anyway, it's fucking hard to explain if you've never done filler work before. Different things will pull your eye away, and different things will show different things. You'll know more when you put your primer on, or you've done it before, and you kind of get the gist of what goes on with your eye. It's years and years and years of doing things, guys. It's not fucking 2 minutes. You're not going to do this in 2 minutes. You've got to practice. I've said this before in previous videos. This thing's fucking pissing me off here. Let's get rid of it. Move that out of the fucking way. It's catching my hand and I can't work back as far as I need to. fucking dusty job. You absolutely get fucking covered. Look at the top. But a bit of dirt never hurt any cunt, did it? People are going to go, wear a mask, wear a mask. Yeah, I will. One day. Right. Excuse me. Right, yes. I can't fucking see. I can't fucking see what you can see. Oh, there. So that's it. We just patch that into there. Yeah. Obviously, I hit that with 100 grit. I'm going to take it down, get it a bit smoother. But this bit was stone chipped, so yeah. Anyway, let's do that, and then where is it? I can't fucking see. Right, I'm just going to blast a bit of hard build primer over that. I ain't got no stone chip, so pretty much how you do it. Right guys, that's it. There's a quick touch up in there. I'm gonna get some amorite. Amorite fucking, what's it called? Stone chip, sorry. Because there's a line there, you can see a line in it. It's where the stone chip was. I haven't got a line, so I've got to stone chip it in. But yeah, that'll do, won't it? It's a quick fix. Gets rid of that little dent. So yeah. A little bit better, innit? Trying to get you that fucking light. Right, there you go. That'll do, won't it? Gets rid of that lower dent there, doesn't it? Order some stone chip, and then I've got to get some more white paint as well. So yeah, that'll do. Anyway, take care, all the best, and most of all, as I always say, be lucky, yeah.